Guys, this is me again, and homemade chainsaw. Shelby, fired it up.
This is just how to see how dangerous bikes are.
This is getting annoying. Trying to do this the correct way. It's hard. Oh my lord. Okay, oh my god. Focus it. Look at this. Shelby, look at this one. Look at this one. That's so dangerous.
Oh, come on, Nay. Do it again.
Right in half. And no, I'm not using editing because I'm not that cool to know how.
So look, regular tire, regular beads, regular speed.
Regular worn out beads.
That's because you've been sitting in the weather. Come on. Okay. Regular beads again. Regular thing.
Regular old bike.
Regular old bike. No, and look. Look. Completely safe. You touch it. Now this is actually my real hands.
And no, we are not robots.
Interruption. No.
Not even freaking anything. You'll make that video land.
It got
Okay.
It's pee on the butt.
Yeah.
Woohoo!
Shelby, come on.
I really hope it doesn't pee on the camera. Oh no!
Yeah.
Ah!
Come on. Do it.
I could put you on a shish kebab, sugar.
Sugar shish kebab.
I know, right? Okay, back to the
Where'd you put all my pretty
chainsawing
beads?
thingy over there, so we don't kill the pretty bees.
We
may kill the pretty bees.
And it also works with this. Sister doing that and
Regular pedaling.
and that's regular speed. I tried this earlier with French fries and it didn't really work. I actually tried the French fries on the ground, right there.
Someone had to hold the bike.
Trip.
Interruption. Random neighborhood.
Oh god.
Back
I'm
to
gonna
bike.
saw this French frying.
You already cut it. Dang
it.
Interruption. Time to go check the mail. Check the mail. Check the mail. Ooh, let's see. What? No mail? Why?
Probably this is my video.
There is no mail.
Get your own YouTube channel.
There was no mail.
Who gives a crap?
I do. Yes. Oh yeah, by the way, this is not a gerbil, this is not a hamster. Get it right, people, it is a guinea pig. See? Say I'm a guinea pig. Say I'm a guinea pig. I'm a guinea pig! Now get it right, stupid!
No offense, but you're ruining my video.
Oh. Every bit of offense is taken, so die! Ooh, did you know we've been recording for 3 minutes?
Yeah.
And 46 seconds. 47, 48, 49. By the time I get finished talking, it's probably going to be 90. Nope.
That answers my question.
Oh, look. I can do it with a french fry. Well, I can do it with a french fry. Die, french fry.
This French fry is living.
These french fries are hard as little stones. Oopsies. Yeah. It's a stone french fry.
And all these are regular beads. They're not paper. I swear. Why would I use paper beads? That'd be extremely hard. And yes, this is real stuff. Like I mentioned earlier.
Oh, did you know you can see the moon in the daytime?
Yeah? Shelby, this is not a learning video. This
I know.
is a destructive video.
I know.
That you destruct things.
But did you know that there's mutant, what's it called? Rats living up on the moon and they're eating the moon away. That's why you have the whole moon.
Liar.
Half the moon. I'm not lying. I saw it in a video. Well, not a video. My mind of imagination.
This is a sucky video.
You're a sucky video.
Okay, I'm gonna prove to you guys that this bike actually works.
Ooh, Honda. It's a blue Honda. Look at all the bits and pieces of beads.
Everywhere. Our mom's gonna wonder what the heck we're doing.
Oh no, she's not, because I'm gonna sneak them into the neighbor's thing. They always look. This is what the little neighbors did to our garage. They spit gum everywhere, and then they stomped on it to make sure we couldn't get it out. And yes, they live right over there, and they're so annoying.
Your dicks.
I know, right? No.
No, my sister does not have a YouTube channel yet. I think she's probably gonna get one too.
No, I'm too lazy. But I will. Okay, wait 1 second, Nay. I tried to get an electric scooter. I'm too lazy to pedal.
It almost took the freaking road.
Okay.
Awesome accident thing. Nope.
What? Why are you in here? Oh, I have an idea. Die scooter.
I post like weekly videos, I'm guessing.
You mean monthly?
Not. No.
1, 2.
YouTuber. Oh God. Okay.
Ah!
I'm gonna jump off. Grand Theft Auto. Crawling.
Ooh, remember when I hung on the garage door and then it opened up and I was off the floor?
Let's do that again. That's
No, Mom's gonna kill us. Ooh, I
fun.
wanna
Hanging on the roof. I hope I don't die.
Oh, I know what I want to do for the next video.
What?
I just can't mention it now.
Okay.
'Cause it'll
Give them a little bit of a thing.
It has something to do with stuff in this bag. And yes, that is a gun peeking out of the bag. It's not an actual gun.
Yeah,
It's a
there's
water gun.
what I think it is.
Water gun. Water gun. And remember, it is still winter. Seriously, Sugar, you're just going to sit over there. What? I'm going to sit over here. With my friend.
Okay,
What? How did you get the Furby?
Too many.
How did you get the Furby? I don't know. I found it. No, you didn't. I found it. I found it. Really, Sugar? Yeah, I found it.
No. Guys, this is a two-thing video.
Uh-huh. Oh, ah! Ding, ding.
And we have a hose.
Oh, yeah. You were not actually going to squirt it.
What?
We're going to water the trees. This is an epic way how to water these ugly trees that are probably dead. Where's my tool? Big shovel, snorkel, flipper, water cannon. I want a water cannon. Ooh.
Epic ways to water trees.
You're watering the sky trees.
Not the
Water.
Best way.
You don't water your foot. Fail, fail, fail.
House to fail.
Ooh. It says don't touch. Ooh, I'm gonna touch it. Guess it's fake.
Get over
Stupid
here.
fake sign. thing went.